for action.
Well, good morning, race fans. Today we are at Pattingham, literally on my doorstep. Used to, yeah, well, about 15-20 minutes. It used to be a racetrack, been taken over by Max Stoke. They run it as a practice track now. I rode here, last time I rode here was last year, and they've done an extensive amount of work. It looks really, really good. Looking forward to riding today. So we'll give you a little review of the track. This will, I did say, if you're watching my vlogs, last week was going to be the last one, but this means it was so local. And probably the last chance to ride my 450 Honda before she goes up for sale.
Well, until the next time you see us, and Paul will say exactly the same, when he's convinced me to get up on a Sunday morning and come and stand in a cold, wet field.
She loves getting up on a cold, wet Sunday morning. And we haven't really had much of a line this weekend, have we? Because ghost hunting Friday night in Wales.
Till 2 o'clock in the morning.
Till 2 o'clock in the morning, which was great fun.
Except
what
for
was
the food.
Except for the food, unfortunately. At Castle, what was it? Castle Nos, well, I don't know. We'll put the writing in the description. Yeah, good fun that was. And obviously we've done our own Halloween stuff as well. Been having lots of fun, and then we'll be zipping off to sunny Spain, and you can watch our exploits out there. Anyway, so we'll give you a review of the track. Okay, so our day at Pattingham, practice day. Brilliant, I loved it. When I first went out, I weren't too sure. Bike felt really all over the shop, to be fair. I think I said to Sam when I came in, it felt like I had 2 punctures. It was just weird. It was like a hard pack underneath the sand, and the sand was moving about a bit. But I did the second session, and it was certainly getting rougher, and I hate ruts, so I did struggle a little bit in the second one, but I don't know, I seemed to just gel then. I did 3 sessions, and that was enough for me. It was super fun layout, jumps were great, and a really good workout. It was surprisingly hard work actually. Obviously I think they're probably going to be using it a lot in the winter, hopefully early March. Max Pattingham guys, if you're watching this video, try and have a few early in March, because it'd be great, because that's when I'll be doing my winter prep, because I'll have been riding in Spain a lot of the winter, so on hard pack tracks, so that'd be great to get used to the UK again. Really enjoyed it, brilliant, and it's virtually on my doorstep, or not, as Mrs Minihane says, 20 minutes away. Anyway, Mrs Minihane is over there. Bearing up with the cold grey conditions today, so we're going home now. Sunday dinner time. Yay! Yes. So we will see you all soon. Bye for now. Oh, please like and subscribe as well. I always forget to say. It just helps out us with the algorithms, and we do enjoy reading your comments as well. I will try and catch up with a few comments while we've got a bit of a downtime from work. Work has been absolutely manic this year, so I've got a few edits from earlier in the year to put up from a few races as well, so we'll have that. So plenty of content still to come, and then obviously our Spanish adventures as well, and then into next year. Right, bye from me.
And bye from me.
Catch you later.